Everyone says you need a Frontier API to run a real coding agent, so I unplugged it. 1 GPU, open weights, and the bill went to 0. The story used to be simple. Open models could chat, but the hard stuff, tools, multi-step planning, real code, belonged to the closed labs. That story just expired. On agentic and tool use benchmarks, the newest open-weight reasoning families are landing within striking distance of the closed frontier. Not on trivia, on coding agents and multi-step task completion. So here's the test. I made an open-weight model the brain of a multi-agent coder, planner, coder, critic, all of it self-hosted on one workstation GPU. Then I pointed the same task suite at a Frontier API. The thing that makes this possible is quantization. Shrink the weights, keep the reasoning, and a model that used to need a server rack now fits on hardware you can actually buy. And self-hosting changes the math. No per-token meter, no rate limit choking a high fan-out agent spawning 50 subtasks. The marginal cost of another agent run is electricity. Your code, your tickets, your customer data, none of it crosses a third-party server. For regulated teams, that isn't a nice-to-have. It's the whole reason this matters. The numbers? Close enough that the gap stops being the deciding factor. And the repo is public, so you don't have to take my word for it. Clone it, run it, break it. Depending on a single API is a choice, not a law of nature. You can ship architecture you actually own. Unrestricted, self-hosted, yours. The closed model tax is optional. Look past the surface.